So in this video, I want to show you how to format a table if there are certain values missing, like you have to format it for homework chapter 3, 4, and 5. So here is our data set. We're supposed to run a frequency distribution for attitude towards math. And then here we would have the output. And the problem is that you can see it goes from 0 to 7, and then 8 and 9 is not in here. But we are supposed to fill the table up. And I really just do this. The only time you have to do this is for this specific homework, because later I don't even want you to have to worry about this. But I want you to know how to do it, meaning how do I manipulate this table if I have to fix some errors. So just like before, I would like you to copy this into a Microsoft Word document. So you right-click your mouse, and then you can see Copy, Copy Special. For me, copy works, but if it does not work for you, then you might have to do Copy Special, because Copy Special, you can see it tells you different options: plain text, rich text, image, and so on. If you do it as an image, you cannot manipulate anything, because it literally takes an image of it. So usually I click all of these, and then OK. Now you open your Word document. So in this case, maybe I want to write homework chapter so-and-so, so-and-so, because I want to write something on top. Now I right-click my mouse again, and you can see it gives me all different options to paste. So this is keep source formatting. That's usually my preferred choice. So if I click on this now, I have the ability to click within the table. So imagine that these are actually columns. So it's actually a table that you are seeing. So you cannot just enter here and make an extra row, because you can see how all of this stuff here gets messed up right now. So what you have to do is you have to make a whole new row basically in here. So let's just, so again, I right click on it, insert, and then I can do insert a row below. So now I would have my 8, and now I need one more for the 9. So insert below, and now I have 8 and 9. So I know my two values, and I can now just type them in. So 8 and 9 would be right here. Well, there was nobody that had 8 and 9. So that means the frequency is 0 for both of them, which means the percent is 0 for both of them. And to stay consistent, I might want to make it so with 1 decimal like it is on that one. So on this one, again, I'm just typing 0.0. Just the last column you have to be careful, because remember, this is cumulative percentage. Well, if it was 95 cumulative up here, and then we add 0 to it, this is still 95. And then again, 0, that's still 95. And now the table would be formatted from lowest to highest without any values missing. And this is what number 1D, the step D, refers to. So that's the idea of note that scores of 8 and 9 were not obtained by any of the participants, but for anything else after that. So this is the only table you will have to do this for. You will not have to do it for any of the other tables later. I just want you to be able to manipulate if there is some fixing within the table after you got the SPSS output. And usually we do not fix any numbers, right? We don't want to change any numbers, but we might want to clean it up. In this case, we want to format it. So I hope this helps. If not, please email me.